Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Today I'll be doing for you some breadfruit punch and I'll be using the ripe breadfruit. Welcome all my new subscribers and to my returning subscribers. Thanks for your trying the journey with me. Stay tuned if you'd like to see how I prepared this. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and I go on with a bag of things over here. So people me are telling us that one you're not go normal. That one you're not go normal at all. Here we have a breadfruit here, and this is a fit breadfruit. We had put it aside to ripen for 2 days. Now we're just cutting into it to make our punch. This is a very simple punch, and the ingredients that it will take to make it might be at home in your cupboard. It won't take a lot, and it won't take a lot of time either. So here, as you can see, the breadfruit is ripe. So we are going to remove the heart from the breadfruit. And people, that part, once you know how to cook breadfruit, you know so the part, you're not eat the part then at all. That is the part we can just take out and throw away, So we are now just going to scoop the fruit or the food, the gummy part of the breadfruit from the skin, because we won't be adding the skin to the mixture. And once we have scooped all of it from the skin, we are then going to get our bullets, and I'm using a bullet, but you can use just about what you want, a food processor, blender, you name it. So we are now going to add the breadfruit to the blender. I'm going to blend in 2 parts. It depends on the container how large it is, because if the bullet bottle was a bit bigger, I would probably blend in 1. Now I'm adding some ice, and this is not for texture. I'm just adding to keep the juice a bit cool, the punch a bit cool, because we're going to drink same time. Now I'm adding all the good stuff, the almond, the vanilla, the rose water, the nutmeg, the cinnamon, and mixed spice. And now I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to use the sea salt. You can use whichever salt you want. It's really up to you. Now I'm going to add the condensed milk, and people, may I tell you, if you never have condensed milk yet, somehow in life missing. Part of life missing. Now I'm just screwing it, and I'm going to start to blend. People, this juice, may I tell you, has something for mad, That juice is nice bad. Look how thick this is, and the juice is complete. You can add more ice if you wish, or you can just have it as is. Now I'm serving because Goody just want to drink some of this right now, my mouth of water. And look at it. It is thick. It is a meal by itself. It is refreshing. It is filling. I've garnished with some nutmeg on the top. People, wanna need some of this, please to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Until next time, it's your girl Anna. Thanks for watching.